Introduction. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating topic of inside-the-box thinking. We often hear about the importance of thinking outside the box, but today we are going to challenge that notion and explore the incredible power of thinking inside the box. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the concept of inside-the-box thinking, let's quickly recap what thinking outside the box means. Typically, thinking outside the box refers to unconventional, creative, and innovative problem-solving techniques. It encourages breaking away from traditional approaches and finding new, original solutions. However, inside-the-box thinking is about embracing constraints, limitations, and existing structures to find unique solutions. It's about leveraging what's already available and finding creative ways to make the most out of it. So, why should we consider inside-the-box thinking? Let's explore a few reasons. Reason 1. Efficiency. The first reason is efficiency. When we work within a set of constraints, it allows us to focus our energy and resources on specific solutions. By not wasting time and effort on reinventing the wheel, we can streamline our thought processes and achieve faster results. For instance, imagine you're given a tight deadline to complete a project. Instead of starting from scratch, inside-the-box thinking would encourage you to identify existing resources, templates, or frameworks that can be adapted to meet the requirements. This approach saves time and ensures a timely delivery. Reason 2. Resourcefulness. The second reason to embrace inside-the-box thinking is resourcefulness. When we limit ourselves to the available tools and materials, it pushes us to be creative and find innovative solutions within those boundaries. It encourages us to look for hidden possibilities and think critically about how to make the most out of what we have. Let's say you have a limited budget for a home renovation project. Instead of feeling discouraged, inside-the-box thinking prompts you to explore cost-effective alternatives, repurpose existing materials, or find creative ways to achieve the desired outcome without breaking the bank. This resourcefulness can lead to impressive results while staying within your means. Reason 3. Focus. The third reason is focus. When we embrace the box, we can concentrate our efforts on specific areas that need improvement or innovation. By working within a defined framework, we avoid getting distracted by unrelated ideas and stay on track towards our goals. Imagine you're a software developer working on a complex coding project. Inside-the-box thinking would encourage you to break down the problem into smaller, manageable parts and focus on one aspect at a time. By giving your full attention to each component, you can ensure thoroughness and build a solid foundation for your final product. Now that we've explored the benefits of inside-the-box thinking, how can we cultivate this mindset? Here are a few practical tips. Tip 1. Clearly define the constraints. Before you begin a project, identify the limitations and parameters you're working within. It could be budget, time, available resources, or any other relevant factor. Understanding the box will help you embrace it more effectively. Tip 2. Embrace existing solutions. Look for inspiration within your field or industry. Study successful examples and adapt them to your unique situation. This approach allows you to learn from others' experiences and build upon what's already proven to work. Tip 3. Encourage collaboration. Surround yourself with diverse perspectives and encourage brainstorming sessions. By involving others, you can leverage their expertise and collectively find innovative solutions within the box. And there you have it, inside-the-box thinking. Throughout this video, we have explored the concept of thinking within constraints and leveraging existing resources to find unique and innovative solutions. While thinking outside the box has gained significant attention in problem-solving discussions, it's important to recognize the power of thinking inside the box and the benefits it can bring. We discussed 3 key reasons why embracing inside-the-box thinking is valuable. The first reason is efficiency. By working within a set of constraints, we can focus our energy and resources on specific solutions, avoiding unnecessary reinvention and streamlining our thought processes. This approach enables us to achieve faster results and meet tight deadlines without compromising on quality. The second reason is resourcefulness. When we limit ourselves to the available tools, materials, and resources, it pushes us to think creatively and find innovative solutions within those boundaries. Embracing constraints encourages us to explore hidden possibilities, repurpose existing elements, and think critically about how to make the most out of what we have. It cultivates a sense of resourcefulness that can lead to impressive outcomes while working within limitations, such as a limited budget or scarce resources. The third reason to embrace inside-the-box thinking is focus. When we accept and work within a defined framework, we can concentrate our efforts on specific areas that need improvement or innovation. By avoiding distractions and unrelated ideas, we stay on track towards our goals. This focused approach ensures thoroughness and allows us to build a solid foundation for our projects, whether it's developing software, creating a business strategy, or tackling complex problems. Now that we have understood the benefits of inside-the-box thinking, it's essential to know how to cultivate this mindset effectively. We discussed a few practical tips that can help you embrace inside-the-box thinking in your endeavors. First, clearly define the constraints you are working within. This could involve setting a budget, understanding time limitations, or identifying available resources. Second, embrace existing solutions. Look for inspiration within your field or industry. Study successful examples and adapt them to your unique situation. Learning from others' experiences and building upon proven methodologies and frameworks can provide a solid starting point for your own innovative ideas. Lastly, encourage collaboration. Surround yourself with diverse perspectives and create opportunities for brainstorming and sharing ideas. By involving others, you can tap into their expertise and experiences, expanding the realm of possibilities within the box. Conclusion. In conclusion, inside-the-box thinking offers a valuable and often overlooked approach to problem solving and innovation. It allows us to be efficient, resourceful, and focused on achieving our goals. By embracing constraints, leveraging existing resources, and thinking creatively within the boundaries, we can find unique and effective solutions to the challenges we face. So, the next time you encounter a problem or embark on a new project, don't forget to consider the power of thinking inside the box. You may discover that the most innovative and groundbreaking solutions are waiting to be uncovered within the limitations and possibilities that surround you. If you enjoyed this video, found it insightful, or have any thoughts to share on inside-the-box thinking, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, keep thinking inside the box.